This festive season, enjoy cooking meals while conserving the environment using Ebenezer energy saving stove, which use volcanic stones for heating and cooking your meal as fast as you can. The stove also comes with an addition of a solar and lights. These can be for home or commercial use, and they are at a discount, for these stoves are proudly made in Uganda. For more information on how to access us, please contact us on the addresses on your screen, and do not miss out on this opportunity.
When you're making hay, the most important thing is the moisture content. So you have to ensure that the moisture content is below 13%. If you bale it and store it when it has a higher moisture content, it's going to rot inside. It's going to develop molds. And those are going to be problems when you're feeding. There's an equipment that determines the dry matter content of the feed, but still with the practical aspect, when someone doesn't have a machine, you just get a few strands and then try to bend them. When it bends without breaking, but it has that cracking sound, then you know that it